Bow Windows Installation in Conway, Arkansas offers a unique opportunity to enhance your home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. With custom bow windows, homeowners in Conway, Arkansas can enjoy a panoramic view and increased natural light. Energy-efficient bow windows in Conway are designed to reduce energy costs while providing superior insulation. Bow window replacement services in Conway ensure that your windows are up to date with the latest styles and technologies. Affordable bow windows, Conway cost makes it accessible for homeowners to upgrade their windows without breaking the bank. Bow window benefits in Conway include increased home value and improved curb appeal. Bow window contractors in Conway, Arkansas are experienced professionals who ensure quality installation and service. Bow window experts in Conway provide valuable insights and recommendations for your window projects. Bow Windows Conway companies offer a wide range of products and services to meet your needs. Bow window suppliers in Conway, Arkansas provide high-quality materials and components for your window installations. Bow window manufacturers in Conway are known for their innovative designs and reliable products. Bow window dimensions in Conway can be customized to fit any space, ensuring a perfect fit for your home. Bow window replacement experts in Conway, Arkansas are skilled in addressing any issues that may arise, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. Bow window design ideas in Conway offer a variety of styles to suit any home, from traditional to modern. Bow Windows Conway styles include options that cater to diverse architectural preferences. Bow window materials in Conway, Arkansas range from wood to vinyl, providing durability and aesthetic appeal. Bow window features in Conway, Arkansas include options like built-in seating and storage, enhancing functionality. Bow windows. Conway options allow for personalization, ensuring your windows reflect your style. Bow window upgrades in Conway can include energy-efficient glass and modern hardware for improved performance. Bow window solutions in Conway, Arkansas address common issues like drafts and leaks, ensuring comfort and efficiency. Bow window maintenance in Conway is essential for preserving the longevity and appearance of your windows. Bow Windows Conway enhancements can transform your space with minimal effort. Bow window trends in Conway, Arkansas highlight the latest styles and innovations in window design. Bow window innovations in Conway include smart technology integration for added convenience. Bow windows. Conway customization allows homeowners to create a unique look that complements their home's architecture. Whether you're looking for Bow Windows Conway installation or custom bow windows in Conway, Arkansas, there are plenty of options to explore. Energy-efficient bow windows in Conway are a smart investment for any homeowner. Bow window replacement services in Conway ensure your home remains stylish and functional. Bow window replacement experts in Conway, Arkansas are ready to assist with any maintenance or replacement needs. Bow window design ideas in Conway offer inspiration for creating a beautiful and functional space. Bow window styles in Conway provide options for every taste and preference. Bow window materials in Conway, Arkansas are widely available and include options such as vinyl, wood, aluminum, and composite, offering homeowners a range of choices for energy efficiency, durability, and aesthetic appeal.